The SureTwist mini-sock anchor system is a patented, fully engineered technical solution for strengthening masonry and repairing hollow substrate stonework in poor condition. Available in 5 standard lengths, using a 12mm helical bar, the mini-sock anchor system stabilizes and secures all types of masonry with minimal disruption to ensure a strong, durable and flexible repair. During installation, appropriate personal protective equipment should always be worn. Drill a hole with a 22mm SDS drill bit to the required depth and remove any debris with clean water and the Sure brush. When mixing the SureGrout, use both the powder and liquid in their entirety to maintain a correct working ratio. Add the liquid first, then the powder, and mix well using a paddle until a uniform creamy consistency is created. This usually only takes a couple of minutes. Attach the required length of nozzle and the supplied aluminium threaded connector top to the grout cartridge, making sure it's fully sealed. Trowel the mixed SureGrout into the cartridge and pump to the end of the nozzle. Then screw a correct length of helical grout tie into this. Slip the required length of pre-sealed sock over the top of the nozzle and pull down the full length. Then insert and push the sock-covered nozzle to the back of the pre-drilled 22mm hole. As the cementitious grout is pumped in, the pressure created pushes the nozzle backwards out of the hole, leaving the tie firmly embedded in grout. This backfilling method expands the reinforced mesh sock to completely fill any voids, providing a permanent cementitious fixing to the surrounding masonry. When the sock is fully inflated, the nozzle will retract, leaving the sock and tie in place. As it cures, the high-performance grout firmly secures the helical bar to create a singular structural entity that resists shear, compressive and tensile forces. Make good the tie at the surface of the external masonry with SureFill flexible pointing mortar and SureStain color match mortar system. This method can be used in a variety of materials and structures, including hollow potted brick, stone and rubble, concrete and blockwork. It's also suitable for use in cavity walls and hollow potted block, as well as for repairs to delaminated masonry and for reconnecting internal party walls to external leafs. Give yourself a twist of assurance with the SureTwist mini-sock anchor system. Fast, easy and cost-effective. Get in touch or visit our website to find out more.